Okay, today we're going to be working with calcium carbide lamp cleaning and operation of it. Okay, to explain this lamp is a 1920s, 30s era butterfly carbon carbide calcium lamp. The lamp is basically in two parts. You have your water chamber and you have your fuel chamber here. Now, these two separate, of course, and we've already cleaned the chamber now for sake of speed in the video. But as you can see, this was the spent fuel from it. It basically is used and then ashes itself. Um, a lot of the ashes are used for different purposes, fertilizers, things like that can be used for, but in our case, we're just discarding. Okay. We start by, of course, removing the fuel, the spent fuel. We clean the vessel now, and then we're going to clean the nozzle. These are nozzle cleaning tools, and what they are for is just to clean the orifice of the nozzle. So we'll put that in there and just turn it a few times to clear the nozzle.
And they look similar to acupuncture needles.
Yeah, basically. So watch it when you're using it, not to poke yourself. Okay, so that the nozzle is clean now, this is carbon calcium carbide. It's like in rock form, little pebbles. And as far as how the lamp burns, depends on how much of the carbide that you put into it. So we're going to put a little bit here into it, making sure that we pick up all of our spent pieces. You can leave it. And I continue.
Yeah.
Making sure that we pick up all of our spent pieces here. So now we have the fuel chamber loaded, and we'll put it back. You also want to make sure that you're keeping your calcium carbide and your water separate. Now, I didn't show you here, but these are replacement nozzles. And these nozzles, in case this one gets spent or used, you can't clean it anymore. You can replace the nozzle. So that is a nozzle. There's a couple of them there. Right now, we're going to fill the vessel with water. And again, you're putting in as much water as you want it to burn. So we're not going to fill it all the way up, but we did put in an ample amount. Now, I was explaining this is a guy's dropper, so that this is a nozzle that regulates how much light or how much the burn is. We're going to turn that up right now. And it allows water to drip into the chamber of the calcium carbide. And at first, we'll just light it with a lighter. But on this, as you can see, it does have a striker. And I'm able to strike the lighter, or the striker, and light the lamp after it's warmed up. So we'll sit there and let that run there. And you can see the light that it does give off. So it is giving off quite a bit of light as far as a calcium carbide lamp goes. I'm right now just adjusting the flame to the light that I want from the lamp. And we have adjusted the flame, and now it is running at a fairly good clip. And that's an explanation of a calcium carbide lamp brought to you by DIY It Electronics. We take you from the past to the future, making it do what it do.